All right, back for Daily Gramle here on Tuesday, December 17th, 2024. Yeah, I've been on a bit of a hot streak lately. We'll see if maybe we learn a little more something today. I don't know. It looks like we have a nasal here at the beginning with kind of a funky transition there into what comes next. And then just like a lot of vowels. And I don't know if there's maybe a nasal here at the tail end or not. This is kind of funny. I'm assuming this is an N at the beginning. Yeah. Huh. Not entirely sure how to interpret this. This looks like it goes down to like an ooh sort of thing. So this could be sort of like a now. I'm not really sure about that. There's also a question, does F3 come down here at the end at all? Well, yeah, our streak of luck might have come to an end here. And then this is, yeah, I'm really not sure. Looks like it gets into a little bit of creaky here, which makes it harder to read. So I kind of want to say like newer, but I don't think that's actually what it is. Yeah. So this might be like a now, newer, nower, and then I don't want to overinterpret this R kind of movement here. It might be there. It's hard to tell. And then, but otherwise this looks kind of schwa-like, right? It's about 500 and 1500. So Nowen, something like that. Kind of wind up with like not enough phonemes actually to make this work if it's just that. Well, and at the beginning. So we got that. Could it be anything other than, yeah, the F1 is relatively high for an ooh. Still kind of, well, and then this F2 doesn't look high enough for like an ow at the beginning, but I'm gonna guess it just because I don't have any better ideas, I guess. Now, and then yeah, I guess this is an N or a nasal at the beginning, but it's really indistinct if it is. So what I'd kind of like to see, like this might be an here at the tail end. But what would make sense is if there's like some sort of consonant here in the middle to make this sort of like the unstressed vowel, or the vowel of an unstressed syllable at the tail end. So like nowlin or something. Yeah. You know, it might be knowing. That might work better. And that gives you that part. So knowing, and that would kind of account for the F3 coming down here because F2 and F3 come together for the angma. This doesn't really look like an I here though. Let's give this a shot and see what happens. Not quite. No. So I'm glad I got the W because yeah, I felt like there had to be like a consonant here in the middle. So no. Yeah, I want to say there's a nasal here at the end. And then this just looks like a schwa, like nowhere. That could possibly work. But again, you're running out of phonemes for that. So maybe nowhere, that might work better. Nowhere. All right, we went from nothing to nowhere in the span of just a few days. What does this sound like?
Nowhere. Nowhere.
All right, not helping us out with that one.
Nowhere.
Nowhere. All right. Okay. Success anyways. Well, that was a good one. I think we might have learned something too. See you again tomorrow.